We know that 1 mole of any gas at STP has a volume of 22.4 decimeters cubed, and we can find out what the mass of a mole of that gas is using the periodic table. Given all that information, we can then find out what mass we have if we're given the volume, or what volume we have given the mass of a gas. Let's first just make sure that you're very sure of how to find the mass of a gas using the periodic table. So let's say we have a gas, carbon dioxide. How do you find out what the molar mass of carbon dioxide is using the periodic table? In the periodic table, a lot of information is given, and one piece of information is called the mass number. For example, for carbon, that is 12. For oxygen, that is 16. So what this is telling us is that if we had 1 mole of carbon atoms, they would have a mass of 12 grams. If we had 1 mole of oxygen atoms, they would have a mass of 16 grams. Now, if we have a mole of carbon dioxide molecules, then what's its mass? We know that each molecule consists of 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. And so a mole of carbon dioxide consists of a mole of carbon, 12 grams, and 2 moles of O atoms, 16 times 2 grams. Altogether, that makes 44 grams. That means the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 grams per mole. What about hydrogen gas? Hydrogen gas is a diatomic molecule, meaning that the gas consists of 2 atoms H2. So even if they were just to say hydrogen and not specify that it's H2, if it's hydrogen gas, it has to be H2. So what is the molar mass of hydrogen gas? Each hydrogen atom has a molar mass of 1 gram per mole. So if you had a mole of hydrogen atoms, its mass would be 1 gram. But now you have a mole of hydrogen molecules consisting of 2 hydrogen atoms each. So now the mass is double what it would be if it was just atoms. And so the molar mass of hydrogen molecules, H2, is 2 grams per mole. What's the molar mass of oxygen gas? Oxygen gas is also a diatomic molecule. Its formula is O2, and therefore its molar mass is double what's given on the periodic table, because that just refers to O, 16 grams of O per mole of O. So 32 grams of O2 per mole of O2. Ammonia. The formula of ammonia is NH3. We can see that nitrogen's molar mass is 14 grams per mole and hydrogen 1 gram per mole. So a mole of ammonia has a mass of 14 grams for the N and 3 times 1 for the 3 H's. So that makes 14 plus 3, 17 grams per mole. Ammonia's molar mass, 17 grams per mole.